Hi everybody, Josiah here, also known as Chilling Silence, and we've got an action-packed update for you today. There's going to be explosions, there's going to be dragons, it's going to be fantastic. Maybe not, but anyway. So we've had the latest update that we were pushing out, getting ready for production, unfortunately come back from Apple. Now, I wanted to share this just so you understand some of the fun that the developers have to go through. So anyway, this is what they've come back with today, and they've said, we noticed the app icon displayed on the device and the large icon displayed in the App Store do not sufficiently match, which makes it difficult for people to find the app that they've just downloaded. Now, this is kind of funny, so let me show you. This is the picture. And this is what they've sent us saying the problem is. Apparently they're not close enough. I'll let that sink in for a second there. Thank you, Apple. Anyway, so we're going to go back and we're going to resubmit this, and we'll go back to Apple again. It's... yay. Anyway, but some more better news, though, I suppose. It is coming out. It is... thank you again to Yoshi. Thank you to Murat, to Nigel especially. You guys have been working really hard on this behind the scenes, so big thank you. One of the other things, though, that has been worked on really hard behind the scenes is Android. So what I've got here is a little bit of a changelog for the release that's about to come up. I haven't put it yet on the DigiByte wiki, but just to skim through it. So we've got crash fixes, the asset image click for assets that have a sparse model. Some Android devices don't support vibration. There's an issue with the device framework, so fixes for crashes on the main screen there. Another couple of crash types here. Clean the pasted address for asset send, so it strips off additional characters, like sometimes if you copy from an Excel spreadsheet, for example, on your Android phone. Anyway, it made sense when I was thinking about it. Sometimes there'll be like a space at the end or something like that, so it's going to clean those off as well for you for pasting it. After the transaction list is updated, this sequence will only execute the required... This should sequence the execution as required to properly set the asset name once it's acquired from the Meta API call. And he's also put a fix in there so it won't update the asset names that have already been retrieved. This will alleviate a subtle flicker in the your main transaction list, which was previously updating already set asset names. So a bunch of quality of life fixes there, tweaks and improvements and things. It's really great to see. Now, just a little bit of a heads up as well, we've also been looking at some behind-the-scenes things for the Assets API servers and things that are being used, ways we can improve the reliability there. Again, a big shout-out to everybody who's been testing out createdigiassets.com. Thank you so much for the feedback. I've really appreciated it. I know there's been a couple that haven't quite worked out, but I want to say that I appreciate your patience. Thank you for the feedback. We're working on it to make it as best as we possibly can. So anyway, big shout-out there. Thank you for that. One more thing, so later on tonight, we're doing another chat with the ChangeNow people. So ChangeNow are actually really cool. They support us with their swap website, but they also run the Now nodes, which is, again, a great service too. So big thank you to them. Really excited for this. Later on tonight for me is probably going to be in around about 10 hours, give or take. So tune in, come say hi. Actually, I'm not too sure if this one's going to be live, but we'll keep you posted anyway. Again, tomorrow morning, I've got another interview, which will happen probably around about the time that I would normally do the DigiByte update, so stay tuned for more details on that as well. And then I'll be away this weekend with my wife celebrating her birthday, so there won't be any DigiByte updates for maybe 2 days. But the good news is we're going to be putting up the DigiByte and Friends. This is with Yoshi from Crypto YouTube, DApp developer. He talks about building a whole bunch of cool stuff with decentralized blockchains, what's involved. Again, like I've mentioned before, we try and keep it not highly technical so that a lot more people can participate and enjoy what it is that we're talking about there and the discussions. So anyway, that's all from me for today. I hope you've enjoyed this. Consider leaving a like, subscribe. You can reach me in the comment section below. You can tweet me. I'm at DGB_chilling on Twitter or otherwise. I'll talk to you in the next video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.